Hey guys, this is my YouTube channel where I'm going to be going over fitness, makeup, lifestyle, a little bit of everything. So make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get started. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I did a little bit of a Sephora haul. So got a couple of things, nothing crazy. Recently I've been really into minis. You know, I find all the times I buy a full-size product and it expires before I can finish it. So recently I've been trying to stick to the minis unless I know I'm going to use something every day. So here we got the Summer Fridays lip balm in vanilla. Got this mini free Supergoop. It was one of the rewards options, so I was like, heck yeah, give me that one. Summertime's coming. Next here we got the Stila eyeliner. This one's in a mini. This one I think was $12 versus about $24. Again, I like the mini styles, and this one I hadn't tried before, so I thought I would try it out. Here, in Laguna 02. That one's a little bit deeper than 01. You know, starting to get that summer tan, so looking to bronze up a little bit more. This is actually for points. I had some points racked up. I hadn't used my points for anything in a long time, actually, so I got this for 500 points. It's one of the First Aid Beauty kits. Got a little bit of everything. These are actually pretty good sizes. They're, I would say, travel size, a little bit more than maybe just like a sample you would get, which is really nice. So I use the First Aid Beauty Oat Cream regularly. I've used the KP Bump before, and then the other two I haven't tried yet, so I'm looking forward to trying those out and see how I like those. And then also got the Sol de Janeiro perfume in 71. I really like that one. It's a little bit more muskier, I would say, rather than sweeter. It's still sweet and coconutty. It reminds me more of the Bum Bum Cream scent rather than the, I think it's 61 is the other option. And that's pretty much everything I got today. You know, nothing crazy, just a little bit here and there. I'm trying to try a couple things out that I haven't tried before, haven't used in a long time. You know, just looking to elevate the collection a little bit. Thanks so much for watching. That's going to be all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe and look out for more videos soon.